Traditional bulky furniture is eating into your profits. High shipping costs, massive storage, tricky after sales. It's time for a new solution. We are PopupSofa. We change the game with one simple act: compression. With our proprietary compression tech, we reduce sofa volume by 80%. This isn't just packaging, it's a product revolution. This means a qualitative leap in your supply chain efficiency. Over 70% reduction in per unit shipping cost. 500% increase in storage utility. A high turnover mini warehouse. Last mile delivery? Customer pickup is possible. Zero installation hassle. Behind efficiency is uncompromised quality and design. We control the full supply chain. More than 50 designs support fast customization and flexible production. The market has validated this new path. Our products are in more than 60 countries, over 50,000 homes and commercial spaces. We are not just a supplier, but a category partner that brings traffic and buzz. A compressible luxury sofa is a marketing hook itself. We look forward to building win-win partnerships, whether it's OEM or ODM, regional exclusivity, or customized solutions for your projects and co-branding. We are ready at PopupSofa. We reinvented the sofa.